Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna handle templates for photos, and before we do that we also need to handle views, of course, and routes. So let's do that. Okay, we're gonna navigate to views.py, and here we're gonna import those model for photo. Okay, so let's just have it right here. Oops, right here, and then we will create dedicated class for that. So class, let's call it photo. It's totally up to you, but I'm gonna have this part constant down there. So list view. As I say, this is totally up to you, and also that, but generic dot list view, you must use that exactly like I have here. Okay, generic dot list view, and now down there we're gonna target specific model. So guys, here you will not use model S, you wanna use just model. You can just target one model here, and that model is that one. So that's how you specify your target. Okay, now we do have a view, and our server is probably broken at the moment. Oh, it's not. Anyway, so now we need to handle that route. So the end user hits, for example, in a browser this, like photo / we need to have that specific route, but now you don't have it because we didn't conclude our code pretty much. So let's do that right here. Our path will be photo or images, just don't forget / here, and now we are going to target specific view. In this case, views.photo list view. Okay, so these things must be different. We are targeting different views, and task of view is just to spit results in templates. Okay, so don't forget to say as view, and also for usage in templates we need to have specific like alias for it. Now let's just call it photo and comma, because we can have many routes and many views, but now let's just have things simplified here. Okay, so let me see what's happening with the server. I'm gonna try to restart it, and okay, it seems that it's kind of cool. So let me find that location like photo, and bam, we do have an error, and this is very nice error. So again, same stuff as with categories, we need to have photo list in image upload, and image upload is in templates. So we'll just follow that order. Let me copy paste this because this is very generic information. We're gonna copy paste that into templates. So new folder, or no, sorry, here in image upload, new file, and we are going to call it photolist.html. Okay, so question is what's gonna be in here? Well, first we need to inherit from base template, so extend from base.html, and now down there, of course, same stuff as in category list, we need to open block of content, because if you don't have that, you will not see actual results, you will end up in error. So let's open it, block of some generic content. We also need to close it down there with end block, and in here we're gonna have, for example, h1, and in h1 we're gonna just say images or listing or photos, so photos. And now the primary part, the most important part, is when you're doing listing or for loop, of course. So percents again, so for any x, for some x in photo list, we will print those results, but of course we also must close our for loop and for. Okay, a little bit of space here, and now in here we need to do that processing. So indentation is nice, and we will spit, for example, If you watch what's happening in models, we can grab many of these things like photo title, body, created, and photo category. So yeah, we can just grab a couple of these things like photo title and photo body for simplicity reasons in our very simple report. For now, guys, for now. So how we are going to do that? Well, don't forget that we will use these tags, and now we're gonna target specific rows. How? Well, this X represent row, and now we're gonna extract those columns. And the column is photo title. Photo title, because we have it in our models.py. Okay, that's one thing. And another thing will be photo body. So yeah, photo specific row is X, and from row we're gonna grab photo body for every of entries. So this is very simplified situation. So let me see what I have, and then we can probably beautify it. There you go, ugly, but it will work. Right, so photos after photos, we can have a little bit of, I don't know, like BR something. Okay. Okay, and here we can put title in H2. So H2, and we need to close it, for example, here. I mean, we must do that. H2, and for photo body we will just use paragraph. I mean, you can grab something like from Bootstrap, but let's just be happy with H2 and P, classical pure HTML stuff. Okay, refresh. There you go. So guys, this is very nice base. I know it looks simplified a lot, but it's very nice base a little bit later when we are going to do centralization of our results. Okay, let's fix navigation here because we lack photo link. So we need to go to base.html, and we're gonna steal a little bit of code from ourselves because we are lazy. I'm gonna copy this link for categories right here, and then we just gonna call it photos or images. It's totally up to you. And because in URLs we have photo as alias, that means we can freely use it right here. So photo will get the job done. Okay, and refresh. There you go. This link works, this link works, this link works. No problem with navigation. So this image upload CMS looks a little bit long. Let's also change that, like image CMS. And yeah, it's kind of shorter, kind of nicer. So here's the situation. We do see 1, 3 and so on results. But for example, when you enter new stuff like photo, let's say 10, you want to see that thing as a first result. And let's put this photo in this first category. So save. And now here, when we refresh things, we expect this 10 to be up here as a first thing that we can see. So the situation is that in views.py, we need to change ordering. And because we are targeting photo model, then here we're gonna say ordering equals, and guys, I'm not inventing this. This is what you must type. It's all in Django documentation. So we can use this ordering because in the models you have a created field column. So that thing is a date. So we are all ordering by date. Okay, so let's target date here. How we'll say that? Well, string, and we're gonna say minus created. So this is just name of column, and refresh. There you go. And if you remove this negative, this minus, then you'll get pretty much default situation, and you don't want to have that. Okay, so negative will get the job done. Okay guys, in the next tutorial we're gonna definitely install CK editor what you get capabilities right here when we are adding new posts, new images, and when we are done with that, then we will fix upload capabilities, because these two things are different and we need to spend like a half of hour explaining that stuff. So first, what you get editor installation, and then upload capability. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely shut up in this tutorial. Thank you for watching as always, and see you next one. Okay, see you there.